Hi there, welcome back to Waiter Tutorials, and in this video we are going to see how can we create some computation lists about our 3D elements for material necessities. If we want to create some easy to read lists about how many elements we have from different kinds, we have this tool named computation list output. Here in the ribbon menu, under the output menu, we have this computation list, and in the pre-selection window we have our structures here in this window, and the material panel creates a list about all the materials on those respective structures. If we disable the unwanted structures, we need only these three. We have these kinds of materials: the C16 wood, the OSB panel, and the plasterboard. We need only the wood material for now. Click OK, and here is our simple material necessity list. At the end we have a summary of our needed materials per meter. We have the gross area and the volume of all the 3D elements. We have almost 11 cubic meters of C16 wooden material. This is the basic default Sawmill list. We can customize with this wrench icon, and down here we see all these columns, and in case of we do not need any of them, we just select it, and down here uncheck this column visible checkbox, click OK. You just close this window, you say yes here to save the changes, and when you recreate this computation list, you will see the changes. This is a kind of refresh. Well, this column did not disappear. I guess this was the one I didn't want. With the columns arrangement, you can rearrange the succession of these criterias. Okay. Now this column went all the way to the right side, and this is how you can customize this list. You can also export it to Excel. You will have to save this, and you can see the same list in Excel format, or you can directly print it. You can see a print preview. You will have 4 pages, and this is our list. Okay, but what about our layouts, our pages? Well, coming to one of our layouts, we have here a drawing selected. If we want to put the labels on it, we can do this by selecting the Sawmill list piece numbers. We have the numbers now on the drawing, And if you want to create a list, you just come here to the dimensions, text/label, and create list text. Now this command will create a list based on these elements only, which are visible on this drawing. Here in the window, you can select which categories should display. For now, I will let all of them to display. And here you can place your materials list. We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns arranged in a simple text box. Now this text box can be modified any way as you wish. You can select font, you can select font color, you can edit these texts, delete some stuff if you don't need. It's just a simple text box. It's nothing special. It's just a summary of all the materials and all the wooden elements in a single drawing. With a double click, you can go back into the text editor. You can select an underline font type, and now this is how your list looks. If some lines are not aligned, well, you will have simply to put some spaces. Yes, something like this. And now it's coming back to place. Show active plan, and now you have a full layout with all the drawings and material lists ready to be printed. Well, that's basically everything you need to know about Sawmill lists, about material necessities, and I hope that you find this tutorial useful. If you have some other questions, please contact us with the info in the video description.